Some help with WebAssign's notation here. The domain for this function, that's all the possible x values you can plug in. And there's two we need to exclude. X equals 4 causes a divide by 0, and x equals negative 4 causes a divide by 0 error. So there's our parentheses. The lowest lowest x value we can have, we never actually reach it. It's negative infinity. And then the smallest y value we have to skip over is negative 4. So we close that parentheses, and then we're going to go to sets, and then use the union symbol, and then open up the parentheses, and we pick up from negative 4 to positive 4. Everything there is okay. Close the parentheses, give us another union, and then pick it up from positive 4 to infinity. So the range represents all the possible y values. So let's see. So if you plug in x equals, that's not going to help us. So horizontal asymptotes, there's going to be some. Let's see. We're going to get negative values too. Negative. Can have negative 4, negative 3. That makes a negative number. Looks like the range is going to be negative infinity to positive infinity. And we can check that with Desmos. Actually, what about x equals 0? At y equals 0? Because there's a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. X over x minus. No, yeah, but we can get y equals 0. So it is negative infinity to positive infinity. So that one shouldn't be too hard to type in. So negative infinity to positive infinity. An x-intercept happens when you plug in y equals 0 and solve. And if you do that, you got to multiply both sides by x squared minus 16. So that gives us 0 equals x. And do the same thing, except y-intercepts, you plug in 0 in for x. Should get out y is 0 if you do that, because 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay, let me just test that. Make sure WebAssign likes it. Yeah, okay. So that's the big thing, is that union operator. You can't use the letter U on your keyboard. You got to use WebAssign's, under sets. There's union.